Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI, and today I want to tell you about this really cool rotisserie kit from Weber. If you are looking to be able to rotisserie right from your home grill, I think this is a great option. One thing I really appreciate is how high quality the materials feel. The metal feels strong and solid, so I'm not worried about it coming apart while I'm cooking. The kit also comes with everything you need. It's not overly complicated to put together, and you can adjust it to what you are cooking. And of course, the motor is included. I think this can be a great product for foodies and novices alike. If you want to have that delicious, juicy rotisserie meat made right at home without having to go out, I think this is just the thing. I really hope that you'll enjoy this rotisserie and you will have some delicious meals from it this year. And that's my point of view.